Hey guys, how's things? Yeah, recently, my Frosta figure has just arrived, and yeah, just really excited to check her out and unbox her here on the channel. Yeah, so yeah, hope you're having a great day where you are. It's full of happiness, positivity. It's only fitting that we unbox Frosta here because it has gotten very cold here, very icy actually, very icy, but it's actually not too bad today, but Frost has certainly brought the ice with her. But so let's just take a quick look at the packaging. She's from the Princess of Power line. She looks great in the packaging as well. She's got the deep blue hair. Maybe that's an indication of how cold it can get here. Well, it's not too bad, not too bad. I might try the water thing. To see if her hair changes colour, but it is a sort of a nice sort of royal blue there. I really like the look of it, and she comes with a nice sort of cape there, which is awesome, and a sort of icicle power move or punch move thing, a bit like Thunder Punch He-Man. That's really nice. Extra hands as well, which is always great. So let's take a look at the packaging. Yeah, so. Here's it's just Ice Empress of Etheria. But on the back, there's really cool artwork on the back. I love the artwork on this. There's usually really great artwork on these packages. And there's a bit of write up here as well. Frosta, Ice Empress of Etheria. From within her stronghold of Castle Chill, Frosta rules as Queen Mackenzie of the Kingdom of Snows, high in Etheria's northern mountains. Though preceded by her reputation as Etheria's Ice Empress, Frost is a kind, loyal and benevolent ruler, strong both of will and power. She brought peace to her kingdom and became one of She-Ra's most powerful allies. Nice. And you got some of the other figures here, like Evelyn, Roboto and Stratos. Very interested in those characters. I may pick up those characters. And then on the side there's really nice artwork as well. That's fantastic. That's really good. Hopefully it's coming up well on the camera. It's a little bit dull today, but I've got I'm using as much lighting as I can get. That's just fantastic. So I'll just set up the camera and we'll unbox her here. Definitely consider subscribing to the channel for more unboxings like this. Definitely like the video if you like the content. Definitely help me out. And yeah, let's check it out. Just gonna lower the camera down so it's be sort of there. So yeah, I've got my trusty pen now. So let's get her out of her packaging. There's usually just a bit of tape at the top. So there. Should do it. Yeah, it's nice. The figure just slides out, and here you can I may be able to just pop this out here. Her wand, I'm just having a look at her wand. There's some cable ties as well, so I'll try and get them, but the wand may pop out actually, if I pull it from this side and just pull it out. Nice. And that spins as well. That's kind of cool. Looks a little bit bent, but that's okay. That's alright. That's nice. We'll just leave that. Her extra hands can come out easily enough. It's nice to get extra hands. Oh. Ooh, that's that's a bit tricky because she has a sort of a thumb. I may cut into that. Let's have a look here. It's sort of like a pointing finger. That's interesting. But if I might cut into that, I think her blast effect can come out. Oh, that's cool. It's sort of like an icicle. An icicle. That's deadly. That's really nice. I love the effect on that. I love the colouring on that. I might come back. I'm going to come back for her hand. Let's just have a look. There's a couple of cable ties here, so I'm going to try and get the cable ties. And she's got a cape, so I just got to be extra careful about that. I'll switch to the scissors. Scissors are really handy for these cable ties. Cable tie just here. Let's just have a look. Should do it. And there's a bit of tape just holding the cape down. So there we go. And then just. Okay, nice. And there's a bit of tape on the other side, so I'll get that as well. Her cape looks great. I really like the style of it. It's sort of like it reminds me of like a snowflake or an ice shard or something like that. It's got kind of pointy effects to it. Really nice colouring as well. Oh, you can see her hair from the other side. That's really nice. It's sort of like long hair, but it's a bit of plastic over her head that I'm just going to kind of cut into. Again, I think the cape will move through fairly well, but it's going to make it just a little bit easier. Just cutting into that. Let's try that. Let's try that. Okay, yeah, so she's come out handy enough. So let's just take a look. I'm sort of clearing away some of these ties. Okay, so yeah, sort of if I do that, just if you're sort of lean her head down, her hair sort of laps over. She can't really see where her cape is. So you just have to sort of shimmy it back into position. If I can do that. Yeah, I'd say that's about right. So I've just kind of moved her cape in around her back, or in around her back again. There's sort of like a little marking there. Maybe that, I'm not sure if that's right like that, but that's alright. I think it generally looks very good. I really like the colouring on it. That light blue. She looks great. I really love the hair on her actually. That's fantastic. Look at that. Like, it's really nice. It's sort of like a dark blue, but then it just gets darker at the top. Actually really like the look of that. And I guess let's just see, get her to stand here. That's nice, yeah. Yeah, there's movement in the waist. Her upper body moves a little bit. It's kind of stiff, but yeah, her arms can rotate all the way around. I'm not going to do it here because of her cape, but and her head, it's just a tiny bit of movement left and right, and you couldn't really rotate all the way around because her hair is just so long. But her arms move out, and she's got swivel in her elbows, and her wrists swivel around. They turn all the way around as well. Legs can move out. There's joints in her knees, in her ankles, and her feet kind of move a little bit as well. But she looks great. Love the colouring on her. Just love the blue. The blue is great. Like, it's always a matter of getting the character stand. But I could probably put on her. Oh, let's get the other hand. So the other hand, if you can see, it has a sort of pointing finger, but it has a thumb that's sort of in there. So I'm going to try and cut into this if I can. I wonder how I'm going to do this. If I do, I'll just cut into the plastic a little bit. I'll be able to. I'm just going to cut in like this. That will help, and just pull this, like, pull it apart. Okay, so I just cut into it a little bit and then sort of pulled it apart, and her hand has come loose. It's sort of like a pointing open hand kind of look to it. That's kind of cool, I like that. I wonder if I can put the icicle fist on. Can I? Put the icicle fist on. Yeah, a little bit actually. Hey, that's not bad. That's kind of cool actually. I really like, yeah, I just really like the look to this figure. Hopefully that's not too bad, is it? Let's see if we can. Can't really go to. Oh no, I can go a tiny bit lower. Let's try that. Can't zoom out anymore. We'll have to back a bit, and then up a bit. Oh. Let's give her wand. It's a tiny bit of bending, but you can kind of just shimmy it back. It's got a nice spinner on it. Let's pop that into her hand if I can. It's gone, but that's okay, yeah. Let's see if we can... Maybe if I... Let's have a look. Down like that, and then put the icicle punch this hand here like that maybe. Let's go in for a closer look there. So, move the chair back a bit. Yeah, just really like the look to her. That ice effect on her fist is really cool. I love that. Let's try and move our wand a bit up a bit. Oh, no. Let's try and move our wand. Try and angle our wand a bit. That. Yeah, I just love the colouring on her face there. I love the face. The details are really good. It's just really nice. The paint job here is really nice. Loved I just love the white with the blue. It just really pops. It's got a nice vibrancy to it. If I can. That's a good shot there. She looks great there, like. Yeah, I just love the face sculpt. Love the face sculpt on her. I love the colouring of her, like her skin. Just the hair looks great as well. I might try the water thing a little bit just to see if her hair goes any darker. Let's we could try that now, maybe. Try that now. Okay, so I got a bit of water and I put some ice cubes in it there. So let's just see if her hair changes colour. My guess is it doesn't. I think it's the blue that it is, possibly. But I think it looks fantastic anyway. But we could try this out real quickly. Just be kind of careful here. So let's. You see, I've got a. So I just pick up the figure a little bit, not to and just if we. Oh, it didn't really. Oh, it needs to have a bit more water in it. Let's just have a look here. I'm gonna gonna take her icicle off her hand, and then we could just okay, yeah, I added a bit more water to the glass. Hopefully that'll help. Just move that aside, and then let's just take a look here. Let's figure up. Then I don't think it's changing colour, but that's okay. Just going to dry her off a little bit. There we go. Sort of dry her off. So I'm not sure if it is the hair changing colour, but I don't mind. I think she looks fantastic. So let's bring in some other characters. I'm just going to get rid of this glass of water, and let's bring in some other characters. But actually, just before I do that, let's see how tall the figure is. Got my handy dandy tape measure here, so just really quick. If I have my handy dandy measuring tape, so let's just see if see how tall she is. Tip of her feet to the tip of her head. You can see that it's just under 7 inches. Just under 7 inches for Frosta there. But she looks great there. She looks really great. I think the cape looks fantastic. Really happy with this figure. Yeah, let's bring in some other characters. Let's bring in the deluxe He-Man from last time. I'm loving this figure. Put him there. He's great. Like, let's bring in Camel Can. Nice. Let's bring in King Hiss. And then we could bring in Anti-Eternia He-Man. I think I love the colouring on this guy. He's just the black on the orange just really pops, I think. And then we could bring in Teela as well. Put Teela there maybe. And then bring in Mighty Thor actually. Mighty Thor is just there. Love that figure, the Marvel Legends figure. She could just go there. Maybe she could go actually in here. Nice. Okay. So yeah, I think she's fantastic. I was really excited about her. Like, definitely excited about the other figures as well. But thanks very much for watching. If you did watch this far, like, definitely look forward to more unboxings. Thanks again, and I will catch you in another video. See you then.